Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Zoom and upload a profile picture. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or simply want to personalize your workspace with a professional photo, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type zoom.us into the address bar. This will take you directly to Zoom's homepage where you can access all the platform's features. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, you'll be presented with a few options for signing in. You can enter your email address and password if you've already created a Zoom account. Simply type those credentials into the respective fields. Alternatively, if you prefer a faster method, you can click on the Google Sign In option. This will redirect you to select your Google account from a list. Choose the account you want to use and Zoom will automatically log you in using your Google credentials. This is especially convenient if you're already signed into Google on your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Zoom dashboard. Now, it's time to add that profile picture. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled My Account and click on it. From the sub-menu that appears, select Profile. This section is where you can manage all your personal information and settings related to your Zoom account. When the profile page opens, navigate to your Profile Avatar section. This is typically a placeholder image or a default icon if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. In the right panel next to your avatar, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to begin customizing your profile picture. Next, click directly on your profile avatar image itself and you'll notice the Edit button appears again. Click on this button to access the photo upload options. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Change and then click on Choose. This will open your device's file browser, allowing you to select an image from your computer. Browse through your files and select the image you want to use as your profile picture. Make sure it's a clear, professional photo that represents you well. Once you've chosen the image, click Open. The image will be uploaded to Zoom. Finally, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. Your new profile picture is now set and will appear across all your Zoom meetings and interactions. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to Zoom and personalized your account with a profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.